Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. Recently I did a video on my deck drawer system for my truck, and you guys have been asking for a follow-up video, asking how I like the drawer system, so this is kind of a follow-up video. This truck behind me here is Kevin's truck, and we use it a lot for the shop. We haul supplies with it back and forth, we use it for classes, so it's kind of our shop truck, and we use it a good bit. Kevin's also a firefighter paramedic, so we're going to use the drawer system to kind of keep his gear protected and concealed. So this is an install video. I did not do an install video when I put in my truck, but we're going to do an install video on his truck. Alright, so the goal is going to be to get all of this gear into the deck system and get it nice and secure, protected from the weather and basic security. Got a bunch of little pieces. So these are all your ammo boxes here. Just set down in it.
Oh, on the sides.
Yep, on the sides. Yep. There's the tops for ammo boxes, the rail system, and there's the door system.
There's the center.
Yep.
So these come out first.
Alright, so there's your nuts and bolts, screws, stuff like that. It's not a big deal. Just a lot of little pieces. Ammo cans, covers, support system. There's the top of it. And there's the drawer system. So not too bad, but just got a lot of small little pieces you got to put together. Alright, so we're setting the trim pieces first. So Kevin's taking out the factory hooks down the bottom.
Attempting to.
So you do get a bunch of nuts and bolts, but they're all clearly labeled to let you know what we're going to be putting together. So you have ammo kit. It's going to attach the ammo to the bed, and then C channel is going to connect that. So we're installing the ammo cans. This is going to be the back side here that faces the cab, or the cab section. That's where the tailgate is. Alright, we're going to put the middle section on now. Alright, so it's pretty easy to get this part confused on the C-channel on the boxes. Yeah. So I laugh. We've done it every time. We put it on my truck and this truck. So this is the front. You're actually going to attach a wheel right here. C-channel comes down. This attaches the back of the truck. That ammo can goes to the back. I'll set it right here and you climb back and go out to the side here. Alright, and slide the other side.
What? I need that.
Like a glove.
Thought we've done this. Keep redoing the ratchet to keep on the back of it.
That's the 2-inch bolt going. No, it goes on the back.
Yeah. Goes on the back. Here.
Repeat with the left side spring, which is silver.
Springs are very much a pain. So the instructions actually tell you to go to their website and watch the video.
Grab the handle and slide it up into the recess, catching the spring arms on the way as you work the handle up into position. With the spring arms pressed into the notches on the front of the handle, slide the clevis pin through the handle hole and finish pushing it all the way through the drawer hole. Secure the clevis pin in place using a hairpin.
Springs are held in place. The pin is halfway through, but the channel is clear. Take the handle behind it. Springs go in the notches. Then ease it forward so you can push the pin. Boop. That's it.
Perfect.
Done.
Helps watching the video.
Watch the video.
Watch the video.
Do that a couple times. Enemy.
Yeah.
You screw it. I can't touch it. You screw, I'll hold. Maybe a 2-man screw.
Can we add friendly anymore? Is it to delete the video, the audio part? Perfect. Yeah. Tighten them up when we get it. That was another one I struggled with for about 45 minutes in the first one. Alright, should be able to just tighten it up now.
Oh yeah, hold it.
Alright, where's the Allen wrench? Right there.
We'll get the other one slide in.
So I just repeat the whole process to build the second drawer system. Luckily, the handle is already installed on the second one. It comes that way from the factory.
Ignore the hammer.
Alright, so we're going to install the most important piece of the deck system, the measuring tool and the bottle opener. Kevin's been dying to use power tools the whole time.
No, I got so many drills that would fix this.
Alright, so Kevin went ahead and upgraded and did get the lock, so he's able to secure this with a lock here, and then also has a locking tailgate. So 2 ways to secure the items that are inside here. We did it.
Like that.
Alright, so Kevin's packing all this cool gear in his truck. Now it's nice and secure. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.